If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Alright, so for JASMY, we're looking quite good right now, okay? And previously yesterday we talked about this rising wedge right there, and the rising wedge has been destroyed. So I told you the whole condition and situation that you're probably gonna break down, you have to backtest things, you went down and then you backtested it again and you smashed through to the upside. So on a trading concept, this is gonna be a very difficult trade because let's face it, when you went up here, a lot of people thought that that's it. You even made a shooting star and a lot of people had their stop losses up here and they wanted to short it because it shows that this is a rising wedge and it's gonna go down to 3405. But no, what they did is they still ended up pushing it to the upside and pushing it to the upside. So now what do we do? I think it would be safe to say that you're breaking out of a place that I told you yesterday, which doesn't give me the right to say that you're about to move down. Okay, you got to flip the views and you got to see that we are interested to actually move to 6,000. So it is what it is. Okay, 6,000 in my opinion could be the possible. Even though we're really overbought, I'm still scratching my head if that's really right or something. But if the retest happens and you don't, all right, so I'm going to tell you this. If you're not going to come below 3794, you see as higher you climb and you start, actually I'm just going to bring down the stop loss to 3739. Okay, so if you're not going to lose 3739 and now that you're pushing above this resistance and you're holding it as support, as far as you're going to hold it as support and you start to slowly bounce off and take out 4411 like this, then you're slowly looking for a very big push, which is actually going to be 41% move to the upside. So that's pretty much it for this JASMY quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.